In our last video, we learned about how we can specify a color for the text decoration property in CSS. If you have missed that video, the link is given down in the description. In this video, we will learn about the different values for the text decoration. Here we have these many p tags, and these styles are showing different values of the text decoration. Here are some of the different values set for the text decoration. We have here underline, line through, overline, etc. We can also use multiple values at a time. When you use the value wavy, you must include one of these: underline, line through, or overline. If you want to turn off the text decoration, set the value to none. We can also specify the color of the text decoration by including together with the text decoration values as shown here. That's it. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and spread love and compassion to all.